Hey guys, we have this really cool thing we made. It's a remote controlled egg. Now, Jonathan loves to play with eggs and he likes the surprises. So this time we got this remote control car. So I'm just gonna turn it on. I'll show you how it works. See, it's cool, it even lights up. Put the egg on. We got 10-inch eggs off of Amazon. And we got the car at Walmart for only 10 bucks. That's pretty good. Okay, turn on your remote. Put the egg on the ground. Ready, guys? Here we go. I don't know which way to go. Jonathan's gonna love this. It's stuck. Look at that. Uh-oh, it cracked open. This thing's pretty awesome for 10 bucks in itself. There we go. Jonathan's gonna love this.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, he'll probably be able to do it better than me.
Oh, I hit the time out. Let me go back. Get out of here.
I don't know how to control it. Yellow car. It's got a little tiny button to turn it on, so let's try it. Okay, so we'll put it in sideways so it'll be able to drive. I don't think it's gonna work as good as the big one, maybe. Alright, here we go. Oh, here it goes. The little egg that could. I think it's stuck. There's not anywhere near the power.
Pretty cool though.
Yes, it's very cool. It's gonna be fast car versus slow car. Okay, this little one goes kind of slow. I think Jonathan will like the faster one. So let's put that one back in and we'll go get him. Hey, Jonathan.
Mama's asking me.
Jonathan, come here.
No.
Come here, I want to show you something.
I won't go check on them, and I'll leave the building every time. Okay, bye.
Hey, Jonathan, come here. Now I gotta show you something.
Okay. Dad, I
What's this? They're moving eggs.
Whoa!
Can you get it, Jonathan? Put it in the middle of the floor. Ready? You want to do it?
Whoa!
Other
Jonathan,
egg.
look at this.
Look, it's pushing that one.
He's gonna roll all the eggs.
Whoa. Oh, there it goes.
Whoa! Slow down, it's gonna break.
Whoa. You want to try it? Here, try it. Let mommy move it out into the middle of the floor. Okay, ready? Go, Jonathan. Look, you're doing it. Good job.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Cool.
Be careful.
Whoa.
Let me try this for great hard.
Whoa!
Okay.
That was cool.
Jonathan, do you want to see what's inside the eggs? Good job. First, we're going to do the colors. Okay, ready? Which color is this?
Red.
Good job. What color is this one?
Blue.
Yes. Which color is this one?
Pink.
Lavender.
Yes.
Lavender.
Lavender. Can you say
Can you say
lavender?
lavender?
Lavender.
Yay!
Yay.
What color's this one?
Purple.
Yay! And this one?
Green.
Yeah! Good job. What's in it?
Oh.
A dinosaur! What kind of dinosaur is
A
that?
Bronchiosaurus.
It is a Bronchiosaurus. What's in that one?
Whoa!
A baby one.
It is a baby one.
And his
It's a
mother.
Parasaurolophus.
It's a Parasaurolophus.
Parasaurolophus.
No, it's
I don't know.
It's wrong.
It's yellow. What color is it?
Yellow Parasaurolophus something. Yay! What's in
Yay.
the red?
Whoa, monster truck.
Monster truck. What color?
Blue.
Nope. What color is it?
White.
Wait, I thought it was.
And white.
Yes. Oh, I love your hat. Can mommy wear one? Would they fit? Let me see. Yep.
Egghead.
What's in the pink one?
It's so
Or the
heavy.
lavender? What's in it? What's in the lavender?
Knock it against the
Can you even tell?
floor.
Hello? Who's in there?
Whoa!
Ah, it's Libby!
Libby, the Blippi Girl.
Hi, Libby. Say hi.
Hi. What's this one?
Let's see. Who's that? It's
Blippi.
Oh, that's cool. Whoop. You fall over.
I'll do this.
All right. You want to do the racing around again?
Hey, wait. Jonathan, what's going on?
Jonathan,
Jonathan, what's going on? Look.
Jonathan, look at the green egg. It's moving.
Let go.
What's in there? It's spinning.
It's spinning.
Jonathan, what's in it?
You go another way with it. What's in it? What's in it?
What's in there, Jonathan?
What?
Put it down.
Whoa!
What color is it?
I'll put it down and see where it goes. Whoa! What? Slow down! No!
Oh! Crash! It is amazing. Now we can race. Out wherever you are. Come out wherever you are. Good job, you got it. No, you didn't. No, you got this. Woo! Wow, Jonathan! You ran right into it.
It's kind of funny that I think you really made that one wrong. I just got your toe in the.
Was that mommy doing that? I want to have a race.
Mommy can't even get the car to come back in here.
Trying to make it so I can.
Did not control.
Oh, it's 813.
7, 6, 7, 1, 2. Oh, it even goes on carpet.
Yes.
Wow, that's honestly better than the car. Mommy,
Pick up stuff. Uh-oh, you ran into mommy. Look at our egg, look. Look out! Oh! Bumper eggs, Jonathan. Bumper eggs. Look, I'm gonna bump into that. Oh,
Oh, bumper eggs.
you should get
Hey, Jonathan, you should put yours in the egg and play bumper eggs. Oh no, you're gonna.
I cannot follow that one like that.
Bumper egg. Oh, I smashed open.
Oh no.
running better than me.
I can control this.
Yeah.
Watch me. Just watch.
Uh-huh.
Here we go.
What was that?
Give me a minute. Okay.
So
Wait. No.
so now you thought.
Cut the tape. Cut the tape.
Oh no, John's Wednesday! Oh no, it's gonna get the Tootsie Woosies! Oh, and you smashed. Ten years later. 10 years later.
I'm gonna cheat. Oh.
That was a
Epic.
Mommy, go.
Here it comes. Look out, Jonathan! Here it comes! Oh! You're way over there.
No, I'm not coming to you.
Nope.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Oh no! Look out,
Jonathan, you keep turning off the car.
I guess it is not as bad.
Dad,
Seriously?
Yeah.
Dad, like look, Daddy, how did you turn around in this car? This is how I turn around. Ready?
Go.
One-handed. Wait, no.
That was a nice move. Oh, you missed
Ready?
it.
Daddy, look at it. Ready? It doesn't literally even turn. Daddy, stop chasing me!
Oh, you missed him.
Ready, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Put it in. Where's the car? I can't see the car.
Jonathan, get him.
No!
Oh.
That's not fair, you little cheater!
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Now you know how to make a remote control egg. It's pretty cool, huh, Jonathan? Yeah, maybe we'll get another one of these cars so we can raise 2 big ones at the same time. Does that sound fun? Okay. Thanks for watching.
It's a Jonathan song, and he's singing along. He's happy all day, he loves to play Jonathan's way. It's a Jonathan day, it's a Jonathan song.